Hey guys, it's Carrie the Paper Monkey. I had to jump on. Oh my goodness, I had to just jump on real quick and show you guys what I got in the mail today. This is a happy mail. It's a Merry Christmas mail from my friend Danyelle at Butterbun Bookery. And, I just got to show y'all. This is the box that it came in. First of all, she wrapped it so stinking cute. And then I opened up the card and these things were in it. And she's a huge Taylor Swift fan, and she knows I'm going to make a Taylor Swift journal. And she'd already sent me some Happy Mail with buku Happy Mail. And this card basically says, Merry Swiftmas to you and yours. And her words, Danyelle, your words are so kind. Thank you for being in this universe this year. And then look how cute she does the envelope for the stinking card. But I want to show you guys this. This is what was inside of this box. And it's a little, look y'all, it's a shed. Craft room forever, housework whenever. And then she shed. Okay, now watch this. Watch. Isn't that so cute? Y'all. Danyelle, I don't know how are you this creative? Look at this, y'all. They're little 3Ds, and these butterflies are punched out of paint chips. The little paint cards. Yeah. And look how, you can see the little line there. Look, the little, Danyelle, you've got to be one of the most creative people on the planet. This is crazy. Crazy good. You know what I mean? Like, this is incredible, y'all. Look at this. I'm going to have these little 3D butterflies for days. Look at the color combinations. Oh my goodness. Danyelle, thank you so much. And then, for this whole thing to pop out like that, this was so cool. Look, fabric. Oh my God. Look, fabric, supplies, notions, and then what does this one say? Hold on. Paper. Yeah, we can't forget the paper. Look at all the ephemera she has in here, y'all. I am just not even believing this. Oh my gosh. And it's on the other side too. Oh my gosh. Danyelle. Oh my goodness. And she knows I use the ephemera in my journals. Look how cool. Look how cool. Danyelle. This is incredible. Guys, I'm going to link Danielle's channel. Go show her some love, please. Oh my goodness gracious, y'all. This ephemera is really pretty too. Thank you, Danyelle. Let's see what's on this side. Oh my goodness, more stickers. I love these. Look at this. That's a real photo too, or it feels like it is. Storytellers. Danyelle, you really outdid yourself. This is incredible. Now let's see this one. Oh my God, look at the fabric. And the washi. Goodness gracious. Oh, wow. Look at this one. Oh, I love her. I love her. Look at this. I want a cabinet like that. It's one of those dream cabinets. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Craft glue. This is so incredibly creative, Danyelle. Look. Oh, look at him. How cute. That is so cute. Danyelle, this, I'm going to cherish this. I'm not even going to, I haven't even opened the middle. Hold on a second. Let me see what's here. This iridescent paper right here, I've got a, yeah, I have a project that I'm thinking about doing that iridescent paper would work lovely in. Let me see this. What did you do, my friend? What did you do? Sorry for the crinkles, y'all. Oh, my goodness. Oh, wow. Oh, these are so cool, Danyelle. These are super cool. My friend, you have very good taste. You have such a good eye, Danyelle. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. And another one. This paper is so pretty. Y'all. Yes, go show my friend Danyelle. Oh, look, and it's full of stuff. Oh, wow. Let me see what is in here. It's full. Okay. You made me a friendship bracelet. Oh my goodness. You made me a Shenanigans friendship bracelet. Oh, Danyelle. Oh, y'all. I never had a friendship bracelet before. This is absolutely the greatest. Thank you so very much. This is incredible. Oh my gosh. I cannot even believe this. This is so creative and just so generous that you took the time to make this everything. Oh my gosh. Danyelle, thank you. Thank you, each and every one of you. Thank you for dropping in on this video. And listen, I just really hope, I hope that each one of you who have stopped and landed on this video and have watched it have at least as much fun as I have had opening this Happy Mail / Merry Christmas from my friend Danyelle at Butter Bun Bookery. Thank you so much, y'all. Thank you again, Danyelle. I love this. Thank you all. Y'all have a good day. Bye.